Anastasia's Pinterest SEO Traffic Secrets Program Review. This is what the backend looks like. So as soon as you enter, you see this dashboard and it has a welcome message from Anastasia. Please go through this because this is loaded with information. On the left hand corner, you'll have a drop down menu and the various chapters are arranged there. So each of these has different sections and modules. You have the start here and welcome. That's the main thing which you see when you log into the course. Then you have the module 1 where you set up the Pinterest account. Module 2, the Pinterest SEO. This is the best part of the course actually. A lot of information. Please watch it multiple times because this will really, what I did is I used this information to set up, reset my older boards because I had an existing account and then I have not been posting regularly in that account, but because it was set up so well, my impressions and the traffic has increased, which we will see in the moment. So and I am getting visitors to my website and those are converting. I'm getting sales. So I'll show you that also. But so please do this step very well because it will have a very high impact on your Pinterest account and how your pins will be shown. The next module is the Pinterest boards. Again, this is very crucial for your setup. So Pinterest SEO, Pinterest boards, module 2 and module 3 is basically setup. If irrespective of whether you have done it before, redo it, check it, write down the points and do it. And also she has a worksheet, so you can use that, print it out and do it, um, and follow the instructions. Then the module 4 goes into Pinterest analytics. This is important and there are things which other uh, websites and even Pinterest in itself does not cover. So go through this, figure out what is making an impact for you, what you should be looking out. Module 5 is a smart pinning technique, very simple, very efficient. Module 6, the art of making your pins viral. Follow this and I have succeeded in making my the simple pins, get a lot of traction. They come back to my website and then I even get emails from them. I've got sales from them. So it actually works. So how can you design pins that stand out? This is very good for learning the best way to design a pin. Then module 8 is the tailwind tutorial, how to schedule efficiently. Module 9 is how to create video pins. Now let me show you. So suppose you go to module 4, the best way to check Pinterest analytics. Again, see there are sub modules inside that, like so Pinterest native analytics, how to track Pinterest traffic in Google Analytics. So some of these modules are made up of 5, 6 sub modules. So similarly, this one, module 9, how to create video pins, in itself has around 5 sub modules, and it shows you I think three ways to create video pins, and the third one is one which nobody talks about. Then the module 10 is Pinterest for e-commerce, and this again is not talked about anywhere. I don't think you'll find that information anywhere. And irrespective of whether you have an e-commerce store or not, like say Etsy or Amazon or something, I have found that useful for my affiliate marketing, because in fact, when you're doing affiliate marketing, you're kind of doing e-commerce, so use those tips. Then her secret Pinterest hacks are very good, and that's it, that's all you get. And this is the dashboard. So let's now go and see what you can achieve. So how has Pinterest SEO Secrets by Anastasia Blogger helped me? So I have started implementing it, and for the little amount of traffic I get, you can see I have earned 2000 rupees as a referral cash so far. So just in the month of June, I referred 58 people, out of which 8 ordered. In May, 110 people out of 19, which 19 orders, and there's a cap limit for how much you can earn. If you go beyond 2000, it will just freeze your referral fees. So I have actually earned much more than this before. The prior months they are not showing. So let's take a look at my Pinterest account. As you can see, I do not pin much often. I have only around 1000 pins, and also I only pin mostly my pins. I don't even pin other people's pins, and yet I have seen phenomenal results. So these are the analytics from Pinterest for the last 30 days. I do not pin often. I rarely pin. I rarely even access my Pinterest account. It's all attributed to the Pinterest SEO which I had done, which I had shown you in the module. And so you can see that I have a lot of impressions, and also this translates into quite a few clicks. And my pins are not so great. If you can look at the pins, let's look at this. So as you can see that I have 8000 impressions, 175 link clicks, and 23 saves. So the people are actually coming to my website. My conversions are very high. Even this is also one of my big high converting pin. I had 6000 impressions, 74 clicks, and 30 saves. So let's see in analytics if I'm actually getting any clicks. So let's see in analytics if I'm actually getting any traffic. So this is my analytics traffic. As you can see, Pinterest.com is the highest referral traffic source for me. Then I get from Instagram, then YouTube, then again it's Pinterest from India. Then you see that I have random traffic from Facebook, and if you scroll down further, I have traffic from Pinterest.co.uk, from Pinterest Germany. So it's picking up, the traffic is picking up, and I get a lot of clicks, and I get sales as well. So you can see that my pins are actually getting clicks and people are coming onto my website. So I am monetizing in multiple ways. Here is one more screenshot. I did not want to show you my product. This is so you can see that I have received around 158 dollars as a commission per commission, so multiple commissions. So this system does work, and do check out the Pinterest course, which is in the description below. And also I have a review, text review, if you would like to go through that, in the description below.